Today we're going to cook with Tandoori Tikka Gold, and we're going to cook a Chicken Tikka Masala. It's got loads of lovely beetroot in there to give it a fantastic colour, all the herbs and spices that you need to make it really bang and pop. We're going to use chilies, coriander root and red onion in the Chicken Tikka Masala mix, and we'll cook that on the barbecue. So I'm going to chop the coriander root, get loads of lovely flavour from that. So green chilli, red chilli, and we'll dice them quite fine. We're going to get our onion and take the top off, cut it in half. I'm just going to dice the onion. Try not to cry! Like a cutting machine into the bowl. Boom, boom. Chicken for the tikka. And we're just going to chop that into nice bite-sized chunks because we're going to be making a curry from it. And the thighs give so much more flavour than chicken breast. They just have an extra depth of flavour to them, especially when they're cooked up in the barbecue. A little bit of smoke in there. It'll give a really nice colour without any crazy food colouring. Season the chicken up with the tandoori seasoning. So I just do it by eye. We just cover it. We're looking for about 5% usage rate. So we've got a kilo of chicken in there. We're looking for about 50 grams, which would be about a third of a pot, or maybe a quarter. So plenty of chicken in there. I'm going to add a little bit of oil just to help it bind, just a splash. And very quickly, I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon juice and get all the juice out. And then there's no other way to do it but get in with your hands and mix it all up together. And all the coriander root, the onion and the chilli combined with the spices. Just coat the chicken up so it's all nicely flavoured and pat it down, and that'll help it all marinate together, and we shall cook that up on the barbecue. Or you can do it in the oven. Right, we're going to head over to the barbecue. Barbecue sitting at about 325, which is great. Preheated that. So we've got some nice lumpy charcoal in there. I'm just going to add the chicken to the grill here. And don't worry about some of the coriander and chilli falling off. The chunks won't fall through the grill. It looks beautiful already. It's got a lovely colour to it. And you just get all that onion and coriander, chilli and the tandoori seasoning onto the meat. That looks ridiculously good already. Let's add a little bit of cherry wood chunks. It'll give some excellent colour and a little bit of smoky flavour. Just going to put them right in the middle because this will be quite a quick cook, and we want the wood to burn and get the smoke into the meat. So we're going to shut that down and cook our chicken. Bang, we're going to put the pan on and get up to temperature. I'm going to put some butter into the pan. A little bit of salt into the equation. Keep the onions moving so they don't burn. We're trying to get a nice kind of see-through on the onions. And at this stage I'm just going to add in a little bit of lemon juice. Bell pepper here. Cut out the strips. We're just going to have a bit more texture. Just chop it into quick rustic pieces. Run the knife through them. We'll just give a little bit of extra colour in the dish. And we're going to add them in just now as well with the onions. Give it a quick stir up. A little bit more butter. Want a lovely creamy sauce. Okay, so that butter is now melted down with the onions. We're going to add a little bit more chicken. Just cover the onions and the peppers with that, and that will give us a blast of nice curry flavours. We're just going to roast the spices up a little bit with the onions and the peppers and get them all nicely mixed together. For a minute or two. To get the liquid for the curry, we're going to use coconut milk. See how it all melts away. And now we're starting to get a nice curry sauce base. That's beautiful. Tomato ketchup, would you believe it? Sometimes you just don't have enough ingredients in the cupboard. We don't have tomato, we don't have tomato puree, and we've always got ketchup, and actually it gives just what you need. It gives a bit of thickening, it gives a bit of tomato, it gives a bit of sweetness, it gives a bit of vinegar to this sauce, and that will be beautiful. Lovely silky consistency with that butter added, with the coconut milk. I'm just going to let that simmer away. All good. We've still got a little bit of time to cook, so we're going to add a little bit of garlic, a little bit of ginger, and stir that in and let it cook for another 10 minutes. It'll be a lovely amalgamation of all the ingredients. Consistency. Chicken's looking good. It's got a lovely colour on it. We're just going to check the temperature. We're looking for the chicken. We're looking at 75, stay alive. We're at 67, 70 there. The back we're at 73. So we've got another couple of minutes to get that to cook, but we can actually take it off and we can finish it off in the pan with the curry. So that's another 5 minutes. The chicken is cooked. We're just going to take it off carefully, try not to spill all the coriander and the onion that go on there. Then this can be used in a wrap with the salad, the yogurt dressing on its own. You don't have to add it to the curry sauce. It's just chicken tikka bites. Beautiful. Okay. So that's the chicken out of the oven with the tandoori tikka seasoning on it. We added onion, we added coriander root, we added chili to that, and just the chicken tikka seasoning. Beautiful little bites. You can eat them on their own. You can have it with a naan bread, like an onion salad, some mango chutney, a bit of raita, a bit of voodoo mango sauce. Beautiful. We're just going to dump all that into the curry sauce. Stir the chicken into the sauce, get it all coated up. The smells are beautiful, just aromatic. Colour is just sensational. So that's the curry finished. We're going to just let that sit for 10 minutes. In fact, if you leave it overnight and eat it the next day, it'll be even better. We're just going to finish the curry off a little bit with coriander. Coarsely chop a few stems of that with the root. Stir it in a little bit. It gives it a nice contrast of colour. Texture at the end. And then for finishing off the dish, we're just going to top and tail a couple of spring onions there, give them a little bit of a 90 degrees and cut along. Just got some of the chilies that are left over. So we've got our garnish. It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Very nice.
Oh! Okay. Some basmati rice that we've cooked off here. We're going to add that to the containers. The colour in that. That looks absolutely fantastic. Get that in here. Delish. Just flatbread on the side. Garnish some of the spring onion we had there. A bit of chili. The coriander. And this goes really well with our voodoo mango sauce. West Indian hot pepper sauce with a bit of mango. It goes really well, like mango chutney but with a bit more spice. Bang! Lunch is served! So that was our super quick chicken tikka masala. Chicken cooked on the Kamari barbecue with the tandoori tikka gold seasoning. Finished off with a bit of voodoo mango sauce. It's taken us less than 20 minutes to cook and prep that. Easy Lunchables. Great for feeding the team.